Welcome back, children. Today, in your EVS subject, we will start with a new lesson, lesson number 10, Nation's Pride. Children, first of all, what is the meaning of nation's pride? The best synonym for nation's pride is patriotism. The meaning of nation's pride is the feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment towards your own country. Children, take out page number 88 and start reading with me. Vats and Ayushi were watching TV. Just then, Ketul and Honey came back from temple with Grandma. Grandma asked Vats and Ayushi, "What are you watching in the TV? Do you know about him?" Children, here in this paragraph, there are two children who are watching TV, and the names of these two children are Vats and Ayushi. Their grandma came from temple, and when they saw Vats and Ayushi watching TV, she asked them that what are they watching in the TV and do they know about them. Then Vats says, yes, this is about Fearless Azad. That means they were watching some movie in the TV and it was about Fearless Azad. Then grandma says Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar. Since childhood he was brave. He sacrificed for the freedom of the country. Then grandma says to Ketul and Honey that they should also watch this movie. Afterwards, I shall tell you the story of one such fearless child. So children, you have read here about Chandrasekhar, that he was fearless Azad. Let's know something more about Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bhabra village of Madhya Pradesh. His mother wanted him to be a great Sanskrit scholar and persuaded his father to send him to Kashi Vidya Peeth for studies. He joined non-corporation movement in 1921 when he was only 15 years old. He was arrested, and when he was presented before a magistrate, he gave his name as Azad, his father's name as Swatantra, and his residence as jail. Children, in those days there was British rule in our country, and there was revolutionaries who always wanted these Britishers to send out of India. Among those revolutionaries, Chandrasekhar Azad was one of them. After his words that I am Azad and my residence is jail and my father's name is Swatantra, he came to be known as Chandrasekhar Azad among the people. He was involved in Kakori train robbery of 1925, the shooting of J.P. Saunders at Rahul in 1928 to take the revenge of killing Lala Lajpat Rai. Azad died at Azad Park in Allahabad on 27th February 1931. He was wounded in the process of defending himself and Sukhdev and killed 3 policemen and wounded others policemen. He shot himself after being surrounded by the police. It is said that he used to keep a bullet to kill himself in the event of being caught by the British. Children, he always told that he will never be caught in the hands of Britishers alive. The Colt pistol of Chandrasekhar Azad is displayed at the Allahabad Museum. The body was sent to Rasulabad Ghat for cremation without informing the general public. As people came to know about the death of Azad, they surrounded the park and chanted slogans against British rule and praised Azad. Alfred Park in Allahabad, where Azad died, has been renamed as Chandrasekhar Azad Park. Several schools, colleges, roads, and other public institutions across India are also named after him. Many Bollywood movies are also made on him. Children, now see again on page number 88, and you will see two pictures over there. And now grandma says a story. You just see the picture. You can see in first picture there is a boy, there is a child who is on the railway track. And can you see that on the railway track, in the first picture on the railway track, there is a gap between two tracks. Yes, that track was broken and one train was coming on that track. Okay, so what happens? This child tries to repair the railway track, but when he sees that the train is coming on the same track, and if the train passes on the track, the train will meet with the accident. So what he do? Children, he sees that he is wearing a red shirt, and red shirt means, red color means to stop, or you can say it is a sign of danger. So what he do? That he take out his shirt and then he start flying his shirt in the air. Children, when the train driver sees that the boy is showing the sign of danger, he stops the train over there only, and in this way the child saves the life of many passengers. Now children, take out page number 89, and on that, in first picture you can see that the guard is congratulating the boy, and he thanks the boy for saving the life of the passengers and the loss of property. Okay, and in fourth picture you can see that the child was awarded with the award for saving the lives of so many people. So children, this is how we can help our country in many ways. It is not just that if we are on the border or if you are doing something very big, you can help our country by doing small things like saving our public property, following the rules and regulations of government. By doing small deeds also, we can be a pride to our country. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.